and so, you know, I thought I'd sign up for the talent show and everybody's be like, oh, okay, Julie's gonna sing, awesome. So I decided to combine that talent that everybody knows about with another talent that's maybe a little less well known. So I've never done this in public before, but I'm going to be singing an aria from The Marriage of Figaro, which is about weddings. You know, it's great, and I'm going to simultaneously solve my Rubik's Cube. This is either the best idea I've ever had or the worst idea I've ever had, because it's possible that I'm going to completely crash and burn. But so. Oh God, mix it up.
Just do the Rubik's Cube.
I also don't have an accompanist, so I'm lacking the orchestral interludes.
I can do the rock and roll thing.
So
you want the rock and roll thing?
Okay. I'm sorry. That's okay, thanks. I thought you meant like for the flipping of the Rubik's Cube.
And any opera singer worth their salt ought to be able to sing without a microphone, but if you can't hear me, tell me and I'll just move you closer.
Okay. All right. Giunse al fine il momento che godrò senza abbraccio all'idol mio. Timidi sole, uscite dal mio petto, a turbar non vedete il mio diletto. Ah, come par che all'amoroso fuoco l'amenità del loco, la terra e il ciel risponda. Come la notte i furti miei seconda. Pace, finché l'aria è ancor bruda il mondo tace. Qui mormora il ruscello, qui scherza l'aura, che col dolce sussurro il cor restaura. Qui ridono i fioretti e l'erba è fresca, ai piaceri d'amor qui tutto resta. Vieni ben mio, fra queste piante ascose,
Woo!